This is the training video for SmartPostr. When you go to the login page, this is what you see. And if you're coming in maybe from AppSumo, you'll be landing on the sign up page. So you put in your first name, last name, email address, passwords, and your promo code. All right. So since we've already registered, so we're going to sign in. So when you sign in, you're going to land on the list on the page that lists all the workspaces which you've created. So you're going to click on the one you want to use, and it takes you straight to the dashboard. You will create campaign, view campaigns, preset, media library, background remover, your markets, roadmap, workspace, and training and settings. Here is your calendar to track your social media posts, your gallery where you store your images and the rest. You can make custom posts, and these are your scheduled and published. Why this is an advanced client finder or lead search. This user will get this depending on the plan he or she has. Why this is your workspace where you see your list of workspace. You can add new here and you can view all of them. Now, what SmartPostr does is this: it gives you some questions to answer, and from those questions, it generates posts for you to go out every day of the month. So you will be able to send out posts on autopilot without creating posts every day. The software generates posts for you and picks the best time. It picks the best time of the day depending on your niche to send out the post every day. So it's going to create posts that will go out for 30 days in a month, and you can use your time to focus on other aspects of your business. Let's try out one example here. So I'll go to workspace, then here are your team members. There's no team member here, so where we are going to the social account. So we come here, then we click on Facebook. So I've connected my Facebook account to SmartPostr. Okay, having connected the Facebook account, these are the Facebook pages where we'll be sharing our posts to. Let's integrate the Instagram account. To be able to post to Instagram, you have to make your Instagram account a business account and also link it to a Facebook business page. So this is my Instagram account I just created. So go to settings, you go to privacy and security, then you switch to professional. You can also do this through your phone and it will be the same thing, the same process. So switch to professional, business. It's ready. Then we click on done, and that's it for the Instagram. So we'll have to go to our Facebook and link a page to that Instagram account. Just follow the steps I'm following. Just follow the steps and you'll get it right. Continue. It will prompt you to log in your details. So you log into your Instagram account. So the account is connected. The Go ClickUp software is connected to Dave's Carpentry Facebook page. So I have my Instagram account connected now. This is the page named Dave's Carpentry. Why this Instagram account? Now you've seen how to connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook business page. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be connecting my Instagram account, my business Instagram account that I use. That'll be the one I'll be using for this training. And click connect this one and this one. Click on done. see the two accounts, two Instagram accounts here. Here is the Twitter account connected. So I go over to LinkedIn. Now here is the LinkedIn account. Now I'll go back to the dashboard. You go to create campaign. Now there are lots of categories here where you can pick from to create your campaigns, and we'll be adding more of them as we progress. So we click on the webinar event invitation and then we continue. So I just give it a name, webinar 003. So if I want to send out posts, maybe I'll say 2 weeks to the webinar date. I'll pick 14 days. I can send out posts for the whole 30 days in a month. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're sending it out for 15 days. So I want to send out 2 posts per day. You can send 1, 2, or more than that. And I want my post to start from today. Okay. So choose. Before you answer, you read these instructions so that you won't make any mistake. So let's go. This last field is to type in keywords which the software is going to pick images from. So since we are trying to create campaign for a webinar, the keywords we want the software to search images from is webinar and business. So we click on create campaign. Voila, so here we go. The best part is that this post picks the best time of the day to send out the post, the time where you're going to get the most engagement, and it does everything on autopilot. You don't need to do anything again. Once you've created the campaigns, once you've created a campaign, all you need to do is to select your social media accounts and you schedule your posts, and you're done. You can use your time to do something else. It sends out the post at the right time. And here you can also change the time if you don't like the time that it picked. You can change the time for your post. If you have a preferred time, you can go one by one. You change the time for a different post. So these are the social networks it's going to be sending out to: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Now, if you've gone through the post and you see some things you want to change, whether in the text or in the images, you can go here. You go to edit. You type in whatever you want to type. You make your changes. You can type in whatever you want. Then here you can also pick an image either from your saved images in your gallery, or you pick from your computer, directly from your computer. Select file here, or you pick from the library file. So I can click on webinar, then I'll search, then I can pick this one to replace it, and here we go. So having changed my text and my image, I can now save this post. So this is it. And any post you don't like, you can also delete if you're not interested in what was written there or you don't like it. Okay, so you read through or check the images. If you don't like what you're seeing, like I can decide to delete this one if I want to. All right, so that's it. If we schedule the post, it's gonna take time before the next one goes based on the time it was, based on the time the software picked. So I'll be changing the time, editing the time to like 5 minutes time, so that when I schedule the post, you're gonna see how it goes out to all social media accounts. So I can save the changes. You may decide to schedule all the posts after going through and seeing the you're comfortable with the image and the write-up, or you can pick some of them you like as favorites. So here now I've, I've selected 6 as favorites. So if you go here, I'll see 6 of them as favorites. Okay, I selected these 6 as favorites, so I can go here and see them. So I can decide to only schedule the favorites, which are the ones I like, if I don't like all of them, or if I'm looking for only few posts. Okay, I pick the best and make them my favorites, or I can schedule the whole post to go for the 15 days. So having done that, having seen that, we can now pick our social media networks. Facebook, I pick Instagram, Twitter. Sorry, this was LinkedIn and this Instagram. So for Instagram, I noticed that it doesn't show the name of the first account, which is from Instagram themselves. I messaged them and they're going to fix it. So this account is properly showing here. You can see the name. So I can select this. So I haven't done that. Since I've changed my time, it's going to go at this particular time here. So I'll have to schedule my post successfully. So that's it. So having made your post, you can also come here to update and update your post. Any of the posts that have gone out, even if you edit it, it changes nothing. But the ones that are yet to go out, you can come here, make your changes in the image or the post, and save. So when you save, it has saved and it has updated. So the new post you just edited is what's going to go on that particular day and time. So let's go to our social media accounts to see the post we just made. So this was the post. I edited the time to make it go sooner so that we can all see it. So let's go to our Facebook account. Okay, you can see the post we just made now. Upcoming webinar with ClickUp. You can see the beautiful image. With this, you can keep your page lively without ever spending much time on social media posts. Let's go to Instagram. Let's refresh. Okay, this is your post. This is it. All right. So you can automatically send posts on your Instagram account, marketing posts in different niches without actually spending much time. You generate the post once and it goes out every day of the month. So so this is our post here on LinkedIn. All right. Okay. Having seen our post go out to our different social media networks or accounts, let me walk you through other functions of the software. So right here, you have the view campaigns where you can view all your campaigns. We've been here before. You can view your campaigns. You can see your scheduled campaigns. You can see the ones in draft. You can edit the draft and also edit the scheduled campaigns. The effect will be seen on those that have not yet gone. So when they are going, you see them the way you've edited them. These are the campaigns I've made so far. So these are just saved names you can reuse for your campaigns if you want to. Now this is you have a media library here, stock media library. You have you also have your image. So from the image search here, you can easily customize any of the images you like, any of the pictures you like. You can click on customize and it takes you straight to the image editor. So let's try it out here. SmartPostr comes with an easy to use image editor. You can drag things around, change the colors. You can also You can also add a watermark with this tool, the marks tool. You can either add a watermark or your logo with this. This is how it works. So this is it. So you can come here and play around with these tools and make changes the way you want. After that, you can either share to the social media accounts or you save. You can also go to your user uploads to see what you have there. These are the uploaded image that have been saved. So we have stock videos here you can use for any of the projects you want. And we also have text to speech. We also have here is the image background remover tool. You upload the image here. Here you have the marketplace. So here you can search for jobs or what you want. There are lots of people looking for people to hire. You can search them here. And now these are roadmap. Okay. Now this is a workspace. This comes in handy if you're managing social media accounts for your customers. You create different workspaces for the different customers. Here I have up to 3 workspaces. You can see them 1, 2, 3. You can view all, you can add new. Right here we entered now is the workspace settings. You can change the settings here. You can add team members, and this is where you see your social media accounts. So for each workspace, you can connect different social media accounts depending on the one your customers want you to connect and post to. The account settings. Now this is your social media calendar. So this calendar helps you track all the posts going out every day of the month. So you can click on any of these ones to open it up and see what exactly is going on that day. Let me see on the 29th of July, 29th of June rather, 29th of June for webinar 003. You can click on it and you see what's going on. So you can make your changes here, edit the content, and also change the image if you want to. Then you can reschedule it. Gallery. Now this is where you have your saved images. You can upload image from your system and save it here and make some changes. You can also customize directly. Takes you to our image editor where you can make any change you want. You can also manually compose your social media post if you have something to compose urgently. You can manually type it in. Go to your computer or any other source. Okay, you grab the image you want. This is where you see your scheduled posts. Once the posts haven't gone out, you can always edit the post whenever you want to. So here you can edit and post. You can edit the post. You can also delete it. And this is where you see your published posts. Now this is your advanced lead search. This one will be available depending on the plan the user have. So this is where you can search for customers that will pay you for your service. You can come to lead search. You can either search for Google leads or Facebook leads. So this is a full-fledged software on its own that most marketers are going to sell expensively, but it's going to come free with your SmartPostr. Once you get your SmartPostr, you have your lead bullet lead search along with it. So let's do a search for Facebook. So we post the keyword here. Get this location. So with this tool, you don't have to offer them just the social media management services which SmartPostr offers. You can offer them any service at all that you want. This is a full-fledged software which in the training you will go very deep to explain how you can use this ad to campaign, generate SEO reports, generate Facebook report, and the rest of it. You can also filter depending on what you are looking for. There are a lot of up to 8 filters here that are going to help you to streamline the kind of clients you're looking for. This will help you build your ideal client persona so that you can know who to target. After that, you can let's generate a Facebook report. You can generate a link or you can add this to funnel. You can also view them on the map, and you can also send email to them directly from inside this software. You can also generate Google reports for this page. My campaigns, instant funnel. You can create a funnel inside here. This is where you see your leads. These are marketing tools you can use. There are more than more than 50 marketing tools that can help you here. So this is, you can click on any of them and use them and see how it works. So this lead bullet software comes with the SmartPostr software at no additional cost. So you can get clients and leads for other businesses with this software, not just social media management, for any kind of business at all. Let's try the Google lead search. So I still go to plumbing, location, San Diego, then radius 10 kilometers. So I click on the search. As you can see, there are also lots of filters you can use to streamline your result to give you exactly what you want. You see a lot of businesses you can contact. You can also suggest any feature you want. If you want any improvement for this software, you can do that here. So we're back to the SmartPostr software. If there is any question you want to ask, you can send me an email or message me. I'll reply you.